this is me Savani. Welcome to my channel Sani's Dream World. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome error. Oh snap! When you click Google Chrome icon installed in your device, you will get such an error. Okay, now let's get started. First go to Google Chrome icon and right click on it. Then go to Google Chrome properties and click on it. You can see shortcut. Under the shortcut, you can see the target. Now go to the end of the target box and add this comment. This comment is given in the description box. Don't forget to put space between comments. Next, go to compatibility. I choose Windows 8 compatibility. Press apply, continue and then OK. Let's now open Google Chrome. Now you can use Google Chrome for browsing. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.